Hello, good day, viewers. You're welcome to today's class. I remain your tutor, Aisha Bande. So today we should look at periodic table in chemistry. So I'm going to explain all that we need to know about the periodic table. As we can see on the screen is a picture of a periodic table. Periodic table is simply a table in which elements have been arranged. In 1869, a Russian scientist named Mendeleev arranged elements in the periodic table, and he arranged the elements in increasing relative atomic mass. And the importance of the periodic table in chemistry is that it helps us to correlate the properties of elements and also remember their chemistry. So there is a law that guides the periodic table, which is called the periodic table law. It states that properties of the elements are a periodic function of their atomic numbers. The periodic table is divided into two parts. We have the vertical and the horizontal. On the vertical line, on the vertical of the periodic table is where we have the groups. The groups are divided into 8 parts. While at the horizontal of the periodic table, just as we can see, is where we have the periods. And the periods are divided into 7 parts. So let's briefly talk about the groups. The groups in the periodic table are numbered between 0 to 7. When you have from 0 to 7, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means we have them in 8 groups. Okay? So they are numbers from 0 to 7. Also, elements in the same group have the same number of electrons at their outermost shell. What that means is that they have the same number of valence electrons. So let's look at the periods. Okay? So the periods are numbered from 1 to 7. Okay? That's why we said we have 7 periods in the periodic table. And also in the periods, elements in the same periods have the same number of electron shells. In the next class, we shall discuss what we mean by the electron shells and how to identify the valence electrons of each element. I remain your tutor Aisha Bende. See you in my next class as we continue with the periodic table. Bye for now.